Hello, hello, it is the Trading Captain, and I'm currently sitting at $34.54. Now, as you can see here, I took 6 trades today, which is less than normal, but that's the conditions we've been in because the market's been colder. And while I am happy that I had 100% accuracy today, the reality is that I was cutting a lot of my trades earlier, so my profits were smaller. And that really was due to a lack of conviction, right? We've been in this cold market, and especially today, I noted early on that a lot of stocks were struggling to hold up, and that really made my reserve, my conviction falter. And I want to show you what I mean by that. So we had 7 stocks I had on watch today. 5 of them ended up failing, 2 ended up working. Of the 5 that failed, we had CRBU. This one failed really early on in the session. We had RNTX. This one had a nice move, but had a very, very strong rejection. I did try to trade it around here, but we didn't bounce, so I ended up bailing. We had NCRA. I traded this initial pop, but I didn't really like how it resolved, so I didn't touch it anymore. We had BRDX. This one had a nice first curl, but then it flushed pretty hard and didn't recover. We had SDST, and this one just kind of failed immediately. Of the 2 that did hold up, we had PHIO. This one was a very impressive mover, but unfortunately, it was a bit too choppy for me. I was afraid I was going to get stopped out, so I didn't touch it. We had AREC, and this one I did trade as well on the first curl, but it didn't go quite as I had planned, so I cut it a little bit early as well. So what I want to do going forward for tomorrow is the market is still somewhat cold. We had some nice moves, but a lot of stocks were rolling over. And because of that, I feel like conservative entries, conservative mindsets are still needed. So tomorrow I'm going to go in looking, seeing how stocks are holding up, seeing how they're resolving. If we see a higher number of stocks holding up well, that would be a signal for me to increase aggression, increase number of trades. But until then, I think this conservative nature is still needed. So going into tomorrow, that is the plan. With that said, I do live stream every day from 7 a.m. till 9 a.m. So if you're interested in that, check it out on the channel. And I will be back tomorrow morning to stream tomorrow. So you guys have a good rest of your day.